Hi, to manage sound settings on the iPhone 13, we will need to open settings on our phone. Here, scroll a bit to go into sounds and haptics, and after that, we can change some setting. For example, the first thing we can change is volume for ringtone and alerts. And for that, drag the slider right or left like that. And also you can enable this option to change it with the help of buttons, which are located on the left side. Now in the haptics, which is basically vibration, you can select to always play, play only in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. After that, we can go in the ringtone and here select another from the list. Also, we have more in the classic one. And you can also set your own ringtone from Tone Store or download all purchased tones. In haptics, you can choose to play haptics during the ringtone and select the type of haptics and also create your new vibration. You can do just the same for text tone, for the new voicemail, for new mail, to send mail, for the calendar, for reminder, and for default alerts. Also, in this section, we can change system haptics. The first one is keyboard feedback. Here you can enable or disable to hear sound and to feel haptics. If it's light up green, then it is enabled. To disable, simply tap on this switcher. Now in the lock sound, we can disable to hear sounds when we are locking the phone. And for system haptics, we can also enable it or disable. In the headphone safety, we can enable this reduce loud audio, and here we can select from 75 decibels to 100. And this is the default option if you enable this feature. And in the personalized spatial audio, you can use your iPhone camera to personalize spatial audio for the shape of your ears. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.